Are you looking to enhance your Shopify store's navigation and improve the user experience? Well, look no further. The Anchor Link feature is here to help. With Anchor Links, you can create seamless scrolling within a page, allowing your customers to jump to specific sections effortlessly. Whether you want to highlight product features, showcase testimonials, or provide FAQs, Anchor Links empower you to organize and present information in a user-friendly way. Welcome to our tutorial video on Foxify's Anchor Link feature. Stay tuned as we walk you through the simple steps of implementing Anchor Links in your Shopify store. Let's dive in.
A theme can be considered the backbone of your store, defining its overall look, feel, and functions. We proudly present to you Zest, a solid base for your online store that is more flexible than flexibility, optimized for conversion and packed with built-in features, and especially dealt with the success of mobile commerce in mind. Your store is generated by clean code, tested and approved by Shopify. Ready to grow your business using the most beloved theme. And get support from our dedicated team. Join the mobile revolution with Zest.
Now let's get back to the tutorial video, how to create an anchor link for Foxify. In your page editor, select the section that you want to scroll down to when the button is clicked. This could be a specific product description, customer reviews, or any other section you want to highlight. Within that section, locate the custom attributes setting. Here, you'll need to enter a unique identifier for the section, which we'll refer to as the unique ID. For example, let's use Foxify_Anchor as our unique ID. Now, let's go back to the button where you want the scroll action to take place. In the General section, find the Click Action setting and select Jump to Anchor. In the box provided below, enter the unique ID you assigned to the target section in the previous step. This tells the button to scroll down to that specific section when clicked. That's it. Save the settings, and congratulations! You have successfully created an anchor link on your page using the Foxify Smart Page Builder. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments section below. If you like our video, make sure you give the video a thumbs up and hit subscribe so you won't miss any other future tutorials. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more helpful tutorials.